Alright guys, so change of plans. We are going to La Bebeta. Which floor? 6th floor. The 7th floor, which is the discotheque, right? Is it? Yeah. done bowling. Alright guys, so today we're here at La Bolero and La Bebeta, which is one of the funnest spots here in all of Bogota to hang out with your friends, drink, eat good food, and play games. Today we're bringing you, what's your name?
It's an amazing place.
Why should people come?
All people welcome here.
And what will they enjoy about it?
I play Tejo, Rana, Rana, and mechanic bull.
So the hot girls like to go on the bull, right? Yeah, I saw on the Instagram. Well, hey, he hooked it up tonight. He got us in to show you guys, to make a cool video and show you guys what goes on here. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, man.
Welcome,
Thank you, gracias.
Good night.
Good night.
Thank you.